Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject EVS 2 History, Chapter 5 Shivaji's Education, Part 1. Hello students, in the last lesson we have studied about Shivaji's childhood, and in this lesson we will focus more on Shivaji's education. Beginning of Shivaji's education. Children, Shahaji Raje, Shivaji's father, was a scholar of Sanskrit. In the Bangalore court, he had under his control artists and scholars of various languages. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Soon Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. Later, he began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad on his own. To teach him warfare, Shahaji Raje appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and a dandapatta. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expedition, that is, a journey undertaken by a group of people for war, to conquer the state of Nayakas in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jizabai to Pune. With them, he sent elephants, horses and infantry, a treasure, a flag and famous teachers for Shivaji. Rejuvenation of Pune. Children, here the meaning of rejuvenation means restore. When Jizabai and Shivaji returned to Pune, he remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri, and he would see the lofty peaks of Sahyadri again. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji's enemy. Properties were damaged, houses were demolished, temples were collapsed. The people were scared and ran away from their villages. Fields became barren, thick forest had grown, and wolves roamed freely everywhere. Pune thus was totally in the state of disorder. When the people living around came to know that Jizabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they all were very happy. Jizabai called all of them and reassured, means she promised them that they all would be safe in Pune. Pune's people started cultivating their lands. Jizabai repaired temples and worship began morning and evening. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. Here, the meaning of transformed is change. The achievements of Dadaji Kondev. When Jizabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. He was a Subedar of Kondana also. He was very faithful, strict disciplinarian, just, efficient, honest in his work. Later, a big Wada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. To encourage the peasants to kill their lands, Dadaji gave them concession in the land tax for few years and also offered prizes for destroying the wolves which caused damage and harassed the peasants. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. He thus made the people happy. In the field of agricultural reform and revenue collection, the work done by Dadaji Kondev and Nizam Shah Wazir Malik Amber is considered to be very important. Shivaji's education. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jizabai. While returning from Bangalore, Jizabai and Shivaji were accompanied by eminent teachers sent by Shahaji Raje. They taught him many sciences, branches of learning and languages. Shivaji acquired the knowledge of excellent administration, war tactics, fort architecture, selection of horses and elephants, way of escaping from difficult enemy territories, and many other things. Shivaji's progress in education pleased Jizabai very much. Thank you.